Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will cook potato and carrot pancake. This pancake is so easy to cook and quite tasty. Hope you guys can enjoy. First, prepare a potato and pure it. And then shred the potato. I suggest to use a grater, because the thinner the shreds, the better. Prepare a carrot and shred it. Chop some scallion and put it together with the shredded potato and carrot. Now crack 2 eggs. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, half spoon of sugar, and mix everything. When the seasonings are all perfectly mixed, add 4 spoons of flour and mix everything. There is no need to add extra water, because the juice from the vegetables is already enough. Now turn on the fire and add cooking oil to the pan. Put the batter into the pan and carefully make it nice and even. Be patient and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Then flip them over. After another 3 to 4 minutes, the pancakes will be perfectly cooked. I will make another 3. For the dipping sauce, you can choose whatever you want. I personally prefer ketchup and chili powder. This is today's video. If you like my cooking recipes, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video.